Hi, this is Coach Tony Morgan, and today's ball what we're looking at is a Ravenheat 85CSI AAA 780 series. And what we're going to do, we're going to have a look round, see how it works, look at the controls, and we've got Adam with me today, and he can ask some questions about this boiler. So the first thing, Adam, what we're going to do is look at how we're going to take the casing off on this particular appliance. So we'll go a bit closer. Right, what we've got, if you look underneath here, you've got screws here, same on the other side. We're going to take them off, and let's look at the top of the boiler. You've got a couple on the top here, one either side. Once you remove them screws, then this panel itself will then lift off.
Okay.
But before we turn it off, what we're going to do, we're going to turn the power off. There's a spare switch at the side here. Now what we're going to do, we're going to do an earth continuity test, just to make sure that the boiler is earthed. So we've got it on resistance, and now let's just make sure we've got continuity. If you connect your leads together, let's see if it beeps. Just put your leads together. Now, so we press mode. Try it again. That's it. Okay. Now what we're going to do, if you come to this first switch, so we're going to connect one end to that screw there, and the other end we're going to connect to the boiler. So if you go like underneath and connect onto a screw, what they're showing you, just keep it there. Keep it there. Right, okay, cool. Alright, so we know the appliance is earthed. So that's one of our checks what we do. Now I'm just going to take the screws off and remove the case. So we're just doing the bottom part now, and then we can take it off. If you just push it out like that, same with that. And the same with the bottom, that's it, it should lift off now. That's it, and just put it in the corner over there. So we got 15 screws around that combustion cover. So remove that and then we'll look inside. We're also going to look at the rest of the boiler, and we're going to name parts of the boiler, see if you know what they are. Okay, so this is now removed, you can see inside here. But before we look at that, I want you to look at this control panel here. We're going to make this come forward so we can see behind that and look at some more controls. Underneath here, you've got a couple of screws, one there, one on the other side. Undo that, them two, and I think that should come forward. So if you do that. So now you can see it's dropped forward, so that's what it does, that motion, like that. Okay, what we're now going to do, we're going to see what parts you recognise on this boiler. So we'll start here. What's that?
That's a pump.
Okay. What's this one here?
That is the is it the hot water sensor?
Well, it is a sensor, but it's the main primary sensor.
Alright.
Yeah.
So it's a primary sensor.
And this one here?
Is it hot water?
That one's the overheat thermostat.
Oh, overheat thermostat,
Yeah.
okay.
Alright, so let's go inside here. You can't actually see anything significant. What we'll do, we'll go around here. About this.
That is a gas valve.
Yep. And this part here.
It is a condensing trap.
Yep. Alright, so what we're going to do, let's look at, can you see that part there?
Yeah, PRV.
Yeah. Alright, what we're going to do, let's see if we can, it's difficult to say. Right, what we got is this part. What do you think that is?
Oh, that is the diverter valve. motor.
Yeah.
The actuator.
Correct, yeah. And this one?
That is the system pressure switch.
Yep. Brilliant. And that one there, you look in the camera, you can see me point to it.
That is the hot water sensor.
That's it, yep. And this part here, we looked at one the other day. This one.
Oh, it was the that red one.
Yeah.
Oh, the whole. Is it the Hall effect?
Yeah, the Hall sensor, yeah.
Oh, the Hall sensor. Yeah.
Yeah. And this part, what it's connected to.
Yeah. That is the. It is not the flow turbine.
It is, it is.
Oh, it's the flow turbine.
Yeah, that's a flow turbine, yeah.
Right.
So that's the diverter valve body,
Yeah.
which is, this is the
What the
actuator,
heck,
as you said. So that's a diverter valve body.
Yeah.
Right, yep, that's it. Sorry, missed this bit.
Yeah, it is.
Where,
Is it plate heat exchanger?
yeah, yep, that's it, the hot water heat exchanger. Right, at the bottom there, see that pipe?
Yeah.
What do you think that's connected to?
That pipe is connected to the main burner.
No,
The
that's
main
it.
heating.
That's the expansion vessel.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Basically, it's a pipe coming from the heating side.
Yeah.
That's the bottom of the expansion vessel. You can see the grey. Can you see the grey
Yeah.
round bit?
Yeah.
That's what it's connected to. Right. So, what do you think these are?
These are the electrodes.
Yeah. So,
That is the spark electrode,
yeah.
and there's a sensing electrode.
Okay. Thing. What else is in there?
There's the
part.
burner.
That's it. Yeah, that's a burner. Yeah. Okay. Now, what about this?
Your fan unit.
Yep.
That is the automatic air vent.
Yep. That there.
That is the air pressure switch.
Yep. What do you think this is?
That is the fan sensor.
Yeah, flue sensor.
Flow sensor, yeah.
Yep. That's it in there. Now, what do you think this is?
This is the where the air mixes with gas.
Well, not quite. What it is, it's called, you could call it two things. It's either called a recuperator or a secondary heat exchanger.
Right.
So what happens, you've got two heat exchangers on this. You've got that one,
Yeah.
and this along here is the main one here, going
Yeah.
across here.
Yeah.
So what happens, this is the burn, as you said.
Mm-hmm.
The flames go up,
Yeah.
get sucked through the fan,
Yeah.
into the fan.
Yeah.
Them hot gases then go this way,
Yeah.
through this secondary heat exchanger,
Yeah.
through that, and then finally go out the flue,
Yeah.
and out.
The outside way, yeah.
So this secondary one basically is designed to make this unit a condensing boiler.
Mm-hmm.
This burner
Yeah.
is not like of a condensing burner type.
Okay.
It's a standard efficiency burner.
Yep.
So what they've done, they've adapted it. So up to this bit here
Yeah.
is a standard efficiency design.
Yep.
So they've added this on
Yeah.
to make it more efficient, to make it higher efficiency.
Yep.
So what happens, this pipe here, you've got this pipe here,
Yep.
and this pipe here.
Yep.
So this pipe here is the return. So go back to the pump.
Yeah.
The pump is pumping into the boiler,
Yeah.
like to get reheated,
Yeah.
and the return is coming into it.
Mm-hmm.
It goes up this pipe,
Yeah.
this is return water,
Yeah.
goes into here.
Yeah.
That return water is now getting heated by this hot gas.
Right.
So it's making return even hotter,
Mm-hmm.
and that's the hotter return going out
Yeah.
of this recuperator.
Yeah.
It goes along into the main heat exchanger.
Yeah.
And now it gets heated again by the main heat exchanger, but it doesn't need as much energy to heat it.
Yeah.
And makes it more higher efficiency.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what
That's cool.
that does. That's the purpose of this unit.
Okay.
So it's an adaptation
To make it more and more efficient.
of a standard efficiency boiler to
the-
high efficiency boiler.
Okay.
You'll see this on a few other boilers, same design, where you've got this standard efficiency burner
Yep.
and this adaptation.
Mm-hmm.
You'll see it on a Biazi, see it on Sime, what else is a Baxi, Main.
Mm-hmm.
They done this. So basically boilers were when the condensing boiler market first started and manufacturers had these standard efficiency units already made, they just added this on
To bring it up
to bring up to the current standards at the time. Yeah, so that's what it is. The last thing on the boiler, the main thing is inside here, you've got the main circuit board inside here. Now in there you've got the circuit board. The circuit board does two things. It does the control side of things, that's a pump, sensors, etc. And also it does ignition. So the ignition transformer, the spark and everything is done via in here. That's where them leads are coming up from that region. You've got the air pressure switch. This is like your on off. That's your selector switch. And these are called potentiometers. This is like LED for fault codes. So that's the main controls of this boiler. So that's the end of today's video. If you want to find out more about more in-depth videos and training, just subscribe to the link below and you can find out more. So thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.